Alright, today's video I'm going to go over how to diagnose and fix a tractor that's not charging its battery. First thing we're going to do is start it up, show you what the voltages are, and we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to start the engine up, see if we've got charge voltage here, because right now the voltage, I got it on 20 volts. Is battery voltage, which is 12.8 volts. I'm going to start it up, see if we got a charge voltage, which should be better than 13.5. And if we didn't, and I know we're going to get battery voltage or charge voltage here, then I want to go to the actual rectifier. Now, one thing I want to mention is this rectifier, if you were to pull this out, you're going to get some really odd voltages coming out of the rectifier if we were to check it out, disconnected. So we're going to check it here at this point, right there. If you've got a newer type motor, you may not be able to do that or access it, so you might want to put a jumper lead where the connector is. So I'm going to go ahead and start it, and I'll do the sequence and check the voltage, make sure we've got charge voltage. So what you'll find is most rectifiers are on the cowling over the engine fan. This is the rectifier right here. There's three leads. There's two that are coming out of the stator, and those are AC voltage. You want to get about 30 volts out of those. And then there's one in the middle in this case that's coming out. Now, it disappears behind the starter, and we're pretty sure it comes out here in this connector. I don't know if you can see that. So I want to show you real quick how to test this. First thing I'm going to do is check the stator output. It should be plus 30 volts, but we want to make sure it's on AC. So we're going to put it on voltage AC, 200 volts, and we'll see what we get here. Ready? Yeah. All right, so we checked the output of the stator, and it was 35 volts, which is great. That's going to feed the system. All right, so basically I've just gone through the whole system. I've proven that the rectifier is good. We're getting charge voltage at the battery. The battery should charge. I think what we were seeing earlier before we started this video, where we weren't getting charge voltage, was literally bad terminal connectors. So that's one of the first things you should check. Make sure your terminal connectors are pretty solid. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.